speaking ability and playfulness.
Yes, that is right, Miss Gina. No, they can mimic. Mimic is to copy sound of what they hear every day.
Can you say hi? They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also mimic a telephone ringing. Diba the rooster?
What's the sound of the rooster? Cockcrow. No?
Okay, how about cat?
Cat. Rudy, can you bark? Rudy, can you bark?